Well, hello everyone. I'm here with a video on how to prune your zucchini plant. Now, I have these zucchini in my sub-irrigated raised bed that I built about a month and a half ago. I planted these zucchini straight from seed and they've grown a lot. The issue is that I have plants next to it and they're acting like an umbrella, shading them away from the sun, and that's not good. I do want to keep these under control, so I'm going to go ahead and prune these a bit just to get some control. I want to get this one huge leaf out of the way. So when you want to prune these, you want to go as close to the base as possible. These stalks are hollow, so I'll go ahead and cut it right here. Right there, making sure that I don't get anything else. Some people also just snap them back. It's a problem with videotaping with one hand. It's really hard to get this going. All right, so I can move this out of the way. Look at that. This thing's humongous. It's hollow. So an issue with these things, as you can see right now, since it's hollow, squash borers. So they're like little tiny caterpillars that like to burrow inside here and grow. So one of those are one of the pests that you'll see if they are around your area with your squash plants. So something to look out for, and this is the reason why, is because those stalks are pretty hollow. So then I'll probably trim some of these as well, but that's how you prune your zucchini plant. Hopefully that was helpful. Thank you for watching.